Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about autocorrelation and correlation. What is the difference between these two? So without any further delay, let's get started. So when we are talking about correlation is the relationship between two different variables. For example, discount given in the number of sales or sold units, right? As we are increasing the discount, the sales that we are having is also increasing is between two different variables. But what is autocorrelation? It is a relationship of a variable with itself over the period of time. So for example, temperature. So let's say today's temperature is 22 degrees. Can we predict tomorrow's temperature? It can be either be 21 or let's say or 23 degrees, right? It cannot go to 5 or it cannot go to 4. There are very less chances of doing that. So when we need only historical values to predict our future, it means that there is very high autocorrelation. Now, why it is very, very important to understand the difference between these two? We try to understand linear regression. There is an assumption in linear regression that there should be no autocorrelation. Now, why is that? There should be no autocorrelation because in linear regression, we are trying to predict y, which is a dependent variable, with the help of independent variable, right? Where x0 and x1 are our independent variable, let's say. But if we can only use historical values of y to predict its future, we don't need independent variable. That's why in one of the assumption we say that there should be no autocorrelation. And if we have very high autocorrelation, what kind of algorithms we use? We use automative regressive, moving average, exponential smoothing, ARIMA, ARMA, Holtz, Winter, Holtz, which are forecasting algorithms. So if we are not able to understand what is autocorrelation, many of the time when interviews ask us, we give wrong answers. We generally tell, okay, we are going to build linear regression, or we take it as a predictive problem. However, can be a forecasting problem, and we use Durbin Watson test to check if there is autocorrelation present in the data that we have. So by leveraging this, we can try to understand the nature of it. So hopefully you'll be able to understand the difference between these two. Till then, happy learning and goodbye.